gonna have to see how my LANSHAN does. I'm just trying to get all warmed up. I've got gonna go back down now. But how is the question? Hello folks, and welcome to another fun-sized adventure with yours truly. I'm currently here in Scotland. I shall be exploring the Isle of SKYE. I'm here in Quiraing. Quiraing? I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. I've actually been here before, but it was a lot mistier. So it's kind of nice to have another chance to explore it again and see its beauty and the better conditions. Look how beautiful it is. Look at that. It's like a different world. Anyway, I shall be catching you again later. Hopefully when I see some nicer views. As with most hikes, it gets better and better as you move further along the trail. It goes through there. You can see the people like little ants. Oh, it's sleepy. On the northernmost summit of the Trotternish Peninsula lies the Quiraing, which forms part of the SKYE Trail. The high cliffs, the hidden mesas, and the towering pinnacles of rock were all formed by a massive landslide. Due to gravity, the weaker underlying sedimentary rock layers couldn't cope with the immense weight of the upper volcanic layers of the Trotternish Ridge and collapse, thereby creating some of the most spectacular landscapes in Scotland.
Nice picture.
Thank you.
Who make a nice picture.
The weather is starting to turn, so I'm gonna make my way back and off to the old manor Storr. I'm gonna camp there tonight. I will definitely be back to camp here. It's so rugged, but it's so mossy at the same time, so the grounds are quite soft, which is ideal for camping. I'm now going on a short hike to see the old man. The old man of Storr. It's been in quite a few sci-fi films, and you know, I'm quite a fan of sci-fi, so this will be right up my street. They filmed Prometheus, yeah, so it should be nice. You can sort of see it behind me now. It was a steep start, but yeah, just this bit now, just one kind of uphill bit, but it's not too high, and then I'm there. I'm all set in my tent. Now I'm just trying to get all warmed up. I've got some foot warmers. I don't know if you can see that, foot warmers. And I'm currently wearing my, I don't know if you can see that, like a leggings with fleece, kind of like fleecy leggings. And then I'm gonna put an extra layer of woolly socks. I've got these ones. It's a pretty neat idea that I got from Wild Camping WELSHMAN. Yeah, so it has like soles, so I can use it when I need a break, go outside. Well, I think it's gonna be like this for the whole night. We're just gonna have to see how my LANSHAN does. I'm gonna try and catch some sleep so I can wake up in time for the sunrise tomorrow. Good night. Morning. It's 20 past 6. Need to get ready now. See you in a bit.
Looking at these spiky pillars of rock, it's easy to see why this part of the peninsula has some of the most important dinosaur discoveries in the UK.
its face. It's still quite nice to see it from this angle. It's the old man of Storr. There's quite a few people here taking pictures. Yeah, that looks kind of misty. Whoa, I'm getting blown off. Following the footsteps of the dinosaurs. Unfortunately, there's no cracking sunrise today, but the clouds made for quite a dramatic backdrop. Beautiful. That's where I was just 5 minutes ago. Gonna go back down now. But how is the question? Leave no trace. It's been a good test for my new tent, my LANSHAN one. It was really windy last night and even this morning. It wasn't that cold. I was warm enough, but it was just the wind banging on my tent. But hey, waking up to this beautiful, marvelous, spectacular scenery makes it all worth it. Plus, like I said, it was a nice test for my LANSHAN. At least now I know it can withstand 40 mph of wind. It rained a little bit and I stayed dry in the night. Thank you so much for joining me again on this fun-sized adventure here on the land of the fairies, the Isle of Skye, Scotland. Till next time, bye!